Just start with your name.
Okay. Hello? My name is Marlin. I'm a clownfish.
A clownfish? Really?
Go on, tell us a joke.
Oh, I love jokes.
Well, I actually do know one that's pretty good. There was this mollusk, and he walks up to a sea cucumber. Normally they don't talk, sea cucumbers, but in a joke, everyone talks. So the sea mollusk says to the cucumber, Nemo!
Nemo! Nemo! I don't get it.
Oh, clownfish is not that funny.
No, he's my son. He was taken by these divers.
Oh my, you poor fish.
Humans think they own everything. Probably American.
Now there's a father looking for his little boy.
What do these markings mean?
I never knew my father.
Come here,
Good
all
pug.
mates here, mate.
Can't read human.
Well, then we gotta find a fish who can read this. Hey, look, sharks!
No, Dory.
Guys!
No, Dory.
Hey, that's mine. Give
Dory,
me!
cut it
Give
out.
me! Ow!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Aw,
Are you
yeah.
okay?
Ow,
I'm
ow,
so
ow.
sorry.
Oh, you really clocked me there. Am I bleeding?
Oh,
Ow.
Dory, are you okay? Oh, that's good.
It's my John!
Just a bite!
Are you holding together, mate? Remember, Bruce, fish are friends, not food!
Food!
look out!
I'm having fish tonight!
Remember the steps, mate!
Just one bite!
There's no way out. There's gotta be a way to escape.
Who is it?
Dory, help me find a way out.
Sorry, you'll have to come back later. We're trying to escape.
Okay, there's no way out. There's gotta be a way out.
Look, here's something. Escape. I wonder what that means. It's funny. It's spelled just like the word escape.
Let's go.
Ah!
Here's Brucey!
Wait a minute. You can read?
I can read? That's right, I can read.
Well, then here, read this now.
He really doesn't mean it, you know, he never even knew his father! Don't fall off the wagon!
Oh no, it's blocked.
No, Bruce, focus! Climb up! Bruce, mate! It's really a nice guy!
I need to get that mask.
You want that mask? Okay.
No. Quick, grab the mask, grab it.
Oh no! Bruce!
What? Swim away! Swim away!
Aw, is the party over?